Welcome back, everybody. Okay, we are back with a fig walnut loaf. And this comes from Costco. I don't know how it's going to taste, but we're about to taste it together. Amen. And what I did was I just heated it up for a few seconds and spread a little bit of butter on it. Let's go. See, I love figs and I love walnuts. So let's see. Oh, it's so moist. That butter. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Now, you definitely taste the figs. Mmm. It reminds me of something. It has that banana nut texture, but not the flavor. It's really delicious at Costco. Add a little bit of butter and it's warm. This would go great with a nice cup of coffee. That's what I should have made with it. Man. It's a good breakfast bread. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It's really good. Water. Costco. And the loaf comes pre-sliced already. So that's our taste test from Costco, the fig walnut loaf. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope everybody has a blessed day.